Saan masarap mag-inuman sa BGC at Makati? Marami dito mga beer house, beer gardens, bars and restaurants. But I'm not talking about just the usual beers. Because if you really want to get drunk with great beers, you have to taste craft beers. Hi, my name is NJ Mijares, and here are my top 8 great places to drink craft beers in BGC and Makati. Let's start the countdown with the only place here that doesn't serve Pinoy craft beers. Surfing Cat, they have Chinese craft beers. At first, I was debating with myself kung isasama ko ba sa listahan ko itong Surfing Cat. Because nga, it's a Chinese craft beer place. But then again, I thought, this is a craft beer channel. And dapat inclusive tayo. So therefore, I decided to include it as my top 8. Although I will always support local craft breweries, this one got my attention. Karamihan ng mga beer dito sa Surfing Cat are Chinese craft beers. And they're very unique. This place has plenty of variants and flavors and classifications and styles of beers na pagpipilian. And almost all of them dito mo lang makikita. I haven't seen these kinds of beer anywhere else in the market. The one that I ordered and I thought that was very distinct was a beer called Oolong Tea beer. Parang kang umiinom ng tsaa na malamig na hinaluan ng beer. It's a very weird, very unusual, but very memorable kind of beer. Surfing Cat is located at the second floor of MCS, Makati Central Square. It's an old mall in Pasong Tamo. For our next stop, let's go to Poblacion. At number 7, we have Alamat Filipino Cuisine at Poblacion. Poblacion has evolved in the past decade. Nung araw, pag sinabing Poblacion, Makati, ito yung puntahan ng mga foreigners na naghahanap ng good time. Nandun pa rin naman yung mga girly bars na suki ng mga foreigners na yan. But recently, naging popular ang Poblacion sa mga Gen Z. It became one of the coolest places to be and to be seen para sa mga Gen Z crowd. And in this area nga, na-discover ko yung isang place na nag-offer ng craft beer. Alamat Filipino Cuisine is a restaurant and a bar located at Don Pedro Street. They have the usual craft beers like Encanto. But I'm not here for that because I will always go for the smaller microbreweries. And here in Alamat, they have Oros Craft Beer. These beers, naging paborito ko na yan in the past couple of years that I've been drinking. And I've been vlogging about craft beers, mga Pinoy craft beers. So, if you wanna taste these great craft beers, go to Alamat Filipino Cuisine. But if you're looking for a more relaxed vibe, let's go to BGC. For our number 6, we have Outpost Market. This one feels more like a coffee shop than a bar or a brewery, and it's located at one of the less popular areas in BGC. Lagi ako dumadaan dito kapag dinner because they have a good selection of healthy food. But of course, ang pinupuntahan ko talaga dito is their craft beers. Kaya lang, they only sell one brand of craft beers, Monkey Eagle Brewing Company. Okay lang kasi marami namang variations and styles ang Monkey Eagle. And this brand is very memorable to me kasi it's one of the first craft beer, Pinoy craft beer brands na na-discover ko way back in 2022. And nung natikman ko yung Monkey Eagle Brewing Company na beers, dun ko na-realize that I love drinking craft beers and I love talking about it. So if you wanna taste this beer, go to Outpost Market in BGC. And since nandito na rin lang tayo sa BGC, ituloy na natin sa next location. For our number 5, we have a pop-up bar and food park. It's called Forbstown Park here in BGC. Tuwing weekends lang yan nag-open, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And in this pop-up bar, you will find Beer Bunny. Bunny is a home brewer that makes his beers on his own. I've known him for a long time, siguro mga 2 or 3 years na since I started this channel. And I have tasted a lot of his craft beers. But this year, 2024, ang pinaka nag-stick sa akin ay yung kanyang Nitro Stout. But unfortunately, it's not always available kasi seasonal niya lang binubrew yung mga stouts niya. Yung mga regular beers niya are IPAs and wheat ales, which are also good beers. Also, bonus tip, nandito rin sa Forbstown yung Top Station. It's a bar and restaurant that carries international beers. But of course, I will always go for the local brews. Kaya si Beer Bunny ang top 5 ko here at Forbstown. Okay, nasa halfway mark na tayo. But before we continue, I'd like to thank the sponsor of this video, me. What I'm wearing right now is a shirt. This is a t-shirt I designed myself. Nakalagay dyan, Kabilin-bilinan ng Lola. This is a 90s era reference. I don't know yet kung paano ko ibebenta tong t-shirt na to. Maybe in the descriptions down below, I will put a link in my Facebook page where I can announce or I can say how to get this t-shirt. But for now, I'll give it away as a prize. Kabilin-bilinan ng Lola. What's the next line? Ano yung binibili ni Lola? If you know the answer, comment it down below. The 20th person to do that will get this t-shirt for free. Now let's get back to the video. For my number 4, we're still here at BGC. But I'm not talking about a craft beer brewer or a restaurant. This time, it's a product called The Brewed Statement. The Brewed Statement is a brand of portable beer kegs. It has that unique design. And on top, merong gripo. So, ang effect is para kang umiinom ng draft beer anytime and any place you want. And it's unique because it's the only one here in the Philippines that offers this kind of product. They partner with local craft beer brewers. Nilalagyan nila ng craft beer yung mga keg nila, tapos they sell it in pop-up stores. This one is in BGC. It's called the 4th Street. It's right in front of a Korean restaurant, Ramyong Bar. But unfortunately, this area will be closed down na ngayong 2025. Magre-renovate daw sila tapos papalitan na ng bago. But if you want to taste beers ng The Brewed Statement, you can go to their original location. It's in Pop-Up Katipunan. But before you go there, balik muna tayo sa Makati, this time in Rockwell. Okay, now we're down to my final top 3 restaurants and bars. These final 3 ranks high in my list kasi dun mismo binubrew yung beer dun sa location ng restaurant itself. At number 3, we have The Perfect Pint at Rockwell. It's located in a place called Proscenium. It's like a mall/condo kind of building, and it's just walking distance from Power Plant Mall. And when I went there, the manager was cool enough to give me a mini tour nung brewery. So, umakyat ako dun sa brewery nila kung saan mismo ginagawa yung beers. Pinakita niya sa akin, tinuro niya sa akin yung mga machines and yung mga tangke kung saan ginagawa yung beer. And the beer selection is very extensive. Ang dami nilang beers, more than a dozen, or I think umabot nga yata ng 20 variations yung beer nila. Ang dami mong pagpipilian. But of course, I will always go for the darker ones. So I went and ordered the stout. They also sell bottled craft beers, but the fresher ones are the ones that comes from the tap. Just like this next brewery and tap room. Let's go to number 2. At the heart of Makati, there's this brewery that's been operating for the past more than 10 years na yata. At number 2, we have Nipa Brew, Taproom and Brewhouse. This one is one of the very first places na na-discover ko where you can drink freshly brewed craft beers. Kasi yung brewery nila, nandun lang sa katabing building. It's located at Camagong Street in Makati, just a few blocks away from Ayala. Marami rin silang selections ng mga craft beers, but my personal favorite is their Hop Flask IPA. Very good beers with consistent quality. This beer, the alcohol content of this is a little bit higher. It's 6.5% alcohol by volume. Over the years, it has become one of my favorite places to drink craft beers. And in fact, marami na akong episode na nagawa dito mismo sa Nipa Brew. If you wanna watch an episode where I judged a Pinoy craft beer competition, click right here. But wait, before you click that video, tapusin muna natin tong episode na to. Let's go to my number 1. But before I give you my number 1, I'd like to take this opportunity to thank each and every one of you. Lahat ng mga nag-subscribe, nag-like, at nag-comments ngayong 2024. Maraming salamat sa inyo. And if you like what I'm doing, kung nag-enjoy kayo dito sa mga videos ko, leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe. Thank you for doing that. Let's get back to the video. And finally, my number 1 favorite place to drink craft beers in Makati is Palm Tree Abbey. This place opened just about 6 months ago, and it's located in a building called Comuna. The building is located in Pio Campo Street in Makati, and Palm Tree Abbey is in the 2nd floor. But look at the place. It doesn't look like a bar or a restaurant. It feels more like a cozy living room. Sobrang nakaka-relax ng lugar. They even have a selection of vinyl records. Pwede kang pumili ng record doon, tapos you can ask the bartender to play the record for you. It's so relaxing, such a good vibe to listen to your favorite music while drinking great craft beers. Also, this building is unique because, look, ang daming mga establishments dito like coffee shops, may lugawan place, may mga art galleries, may ice cream shop. It doesn't really feel like a gimmickan vibe. Para lang siyang modern neighborhood na magkakakilala yung mga tao around the area. But of course, the best part of it are the beers. They have a great selection of IPAs and stouts. Konti lang yung selection nila. I think mga 4 or 5 lang yata. It doesn't have that many variations of beer, but the ones that they offer are very good. They are very great. They are my favorite. And this is where they brew their beers. Behind the bar is the brewery. Makikita mo yung mga machines nila and yung mga tanks na ginagamit sa pag-brew ng beer. So you can be assured of its quality and freshness. Palm Tree Abbey is my favorite new discovery in 2024. And in 2025, I can see myself more frequently na tumambay at minom ng craft beers sa Palm Tree Abbey. So how about you guys? Meron ba kayong mga paboritong places to drink kahit hindi craft beers? Kahit mga normal bars or restaurants and beer houses? Let me know down in the comments kung saan yun. Thank you for watching guys. See you in the next video. Bye-bye!